Hi everyone, back at another video. Guys, today I'm doing will it not? Will it fail or will it succeed? So I have crazy arts glue, and a lot of people been wanting to know what could they use when they get this. Cause but anyway, we have washable glue, and we're gonna find out how much do it take you. I'm using this much. How much does this take you to use for the slime? How much cups does this take you? 2 and 0.5 in. How much do this take you using shaving cream? Borax, I have more though. And magical liquid. Let's get on with this video. And I'm going to do the white first and the clear in part 2. Let's get started. My father. If you saw my video, I got a new spatula. Yay! And if you're new to the channel, if you like and subscribe, head back to the slime squad. Let's get started. So for this one, I have pink, red, purple, and then for the clear one, I have brown, orange, and green. Let's get started. So we're gonna add our glue in. That much. We don't even need that much because this is just a challenge or something. Now we're going to add our pink paint. Like a drop. I don't even need that much. It's just pink paint. And then we're going to mix it. Let's see. So it's actually kind of hard for me to mix it with this like spatula. I don't know why, but it is kind of. But now we're going to add a shaving cream. And we're going to see how much it is. How much do we need? So, my shaving cream in here. I get it just. How much of the shaving cream do we need? How much do we really need? Okay, I'm mixing it. And I want to show you which activator is better to use. Guys, I'm not done. I still have to get that extra stuff out of there. Just know we're not cheating. Because I'm not trying to cheat. So look, it's already coming together. As you can see, I just added shaving cream. Nothing else. Just shaving. And look at that. It's already coming together, which is good. So it's a little ready, but I think I need to get all of this. So I'm just scraping what else was in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take it out and put it on my hands because I don't think all of this can come out all at once. Okay. So yeah, and then we're gonna just add more shaving cream and just keep adding here. Just keep on. We'll see how much do we need. It's really become good stuff. How much shaving cream or I feel like I'm gonna need a little bit more. Yeah, we are. So, yeah. So, I guess the shaving cream. So, we already added a cup right there. Just need more, so I'm getting more. Okay. Better add more. And see how much do we really need. Got all of it. What's wrong with having a fluffy slime? Nothing's wrong with having a fluffy slime. Let's get all that out. I want to see what really does happen. So, I'm mixing, and yeah, good. Yeah. What do you really need? That's the truth. And guys, I don't think you can. Let me know if you want to see me add a whole bunch of shaving cream. Will it make the slime overactivated or hard, or will it just make the slime fluffier? And I'm just adding more, and hopefully it'll make the slime fluffy and not like hard. That's bad. Now I get all of it because I'm not trying to cheat. So yeah, this took me at least 2 cups, which I feel like this one could be winning so far. So this slime is pretty cool, and I like it because it's fluffy, and you're just using like at least 3 ingredients. But original, if you don't have no color, 2 ingredients. So it's actually really good. I'm gonna get all the shaving cream off, so this might take me a little minute or something, but I'm gonna get all the shaving cream off of everything. I'm not trying to cheat or nothing. I'm gonna clean everything off. I want to get off the spatula. I'm gonna get it off everything. Look how clean the spatula went. Doesn't make it too fluffy though, which is good. I like fluffy slime though, so it ain't a problem with me. It's taking a little time though, guys. A little time consuming, and we're gonna say which makes the best slime, which has great bubble pop, which has great bubbles, which has great crack-a-lackets. So I'm trying to clean everything off. See, I'm trying to clean it off, guys. Okay, I cleaned it off. Officially clean as the spatula as well. I'm gonna put it in the container. Oh, it's shaving cream on it. Wow. If you hear that noise, guys, it's just my balloons I got from my birthday. They're just heating each other. My fan is on, and Mom already tired of me. So yeah. So this is how much slime I made. So for this one, you only needed 2 cups, which is, I think, it's good. I feel like that was a good thing. So let's get started doing the other one, but so we already used shaving cream, which, yeah. So we already used shaving cream. Now we're going to use borax. Let's do this. So take the pink off. I'm going to add that much. Let's do red. Hopefully. And this just turned like a pinkish red, which is fine by me. Okay, so you got a little smeared again, but that looks cool. It looks like frosting. Looks like frosting, guys. Now let's do borax. So with this one, I'm gonna add it all in. I'm gonna show you. But I'm gonna pour it in little by little though. That cup I thought she didn't know. So if you need more after this, man, you know something. So let's add it in now. Add it a little, guys. I'm not even cheating. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. And it looks like it's already kind of coming together. With just a less of glue. So I know this glue. I know this works. How are you gonna win? Yep, this one number activator. Pretty cool. That is pretty cool because we didn't even use a lot of borax. We only used a tad bit. And yeah. And guys, if you added, I used the same amount. It's just that we had more. We used shaving cream, which made the slime more. So I'm not cheating. No, I'm not. If you want to try, you can. But here is the other one. The thing is, does it make better slime though? So here's the red one, which I didn't take us that long at all. So I'm pretty shocked. Pretty shocked. She really shocked. I mean. Okay, guys. The next slime is magic liquid. There's 3 pumps for this one. Okay, let's add a purple food coloring in. Paint. Let's mix it. I like how we just do that and it already comes there. Let's do this. Magical liquid. I'm not gonna overfill it. I'm gonna add it where it fills all the way to the line. Let's see how much we need of this. So I used a little at a time. Does this really make good slime? So far. Let's turn it off so you think I'm not lying. So far. That way. I can feel it getting clumpy. I can't. But still keep on mixing. Actually, that might be all. What? You have gotta be kidding me. You have gotta be. Oh shoot! I thought the shaving cream was going in. This is good. This is good. Oh, shoot. This is less than that, like lumen. I forgot. Did I add 2 things? Oh yeah, I added 2. So this one was 2. And the bars was 1. And then the shaving cream was 2 as well. So actually a tie between that one. So it comes down to the clear glue. Between the shaving cream and the clear glue. But yeah. That's pretty cool. I'm shocked. There was really something in my gut. If you call you Mr. Man. Okay. So guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. And we're going to see which one is stretchier, which one is the best quality, which has the best thing a slime has. So, and let's see. This is actually the same amount as the pink, the red one, I mean. So let's take them down. We're going to go in order from pink to purple to that. So we're going to do pink first. Let's do the pink one. Okay, so this one might be a little thick, but that's okay. So, I see this slime is looking nice. You look close up. Okay, so let's see if we do a good swirl. Okay, that's how good the swirl looks. Okay, now do pokey. What's this? Okay, I rate the swirl at 5. Let's do perky noises. Okay, I rated a 2. Okay, let's do the crackle-locks. Let's do a stretchy test. Let's do a stretchy test. Oh, 1. Okay, now let's do the crackle-locks. Okay, I'll give it a 5. So in total, this slime has 10, 11, 12, 13 points. Because 2, 1, 5, 5. Okay, the next slime is red. Let's do the poking first. I mean, it's okay. So I rated a 1. Okay, let's do the swirl. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. A 1. And let's do the stretchies. Okay, a 1. And let's do the crackle-locks. Nothing. Okay, 1. So this slime has 1, 1, 1, 1. So I think 4 points. Wait, stretchy, crackles. Okay, ASMR, stretchiness, swirl, crackles. Yeah, so this slime has 4 points. Okay. I mean, like that baby, by the way. The next one is this one. I can't wait for this one. Let's do the pokey eggs first. I mean, okay. I thought it actually been better, but I rated a 2. Let's do the swirl. Okay, I rate that a 5. So 5, 6, 7. Let's do the stretchy test. Let's see how far this will stretch. So I give it a 3. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's do the crackle-locks. A 5. So 5, 10, 11, 12. Wait. So let's do pokies again. 2. Let's do the swirl. I rate that a 5. That's 7. Let's do the stretchy. 5, 10, 11. So 7 plus 10, 17. And then the 2, 18, 19. I'm going to do it again. Pokiness is a 2. Stretchy is a 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That was 18. So this has 18 points. The red one has 4. And I think the pink one has about 10. I don't know. Shoot. So obviously, this one won. And yeah. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for part 2 for the crazier clear glue. Bye, guys.